Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and enabling rewards. Once done, connect Xbox and your phone to stack benefits. Install and use Edge with the Bing extension so searches credit reliably. Immediately set daily search targets, 30 on PC and 10 on mobile, because volume earns points fast. Also confirm your profile country and time zone. This ensures promotional offers and streaks register correctly. These initial steps put you in position to collect points every day without delays. Once your basics run, focus on high-frequency activities. Complete daily sets, quizzes, and offers. These give bonus points beyond simple searches. Use automation carefully. Schedule browser sessions for non-intrusive searches and run mobile background searches to hit mobile caps. Make sure automation mimics real behavior to avoid lockouts. Prioritize higher-value tasks like Microsoft Store purchases, surveys, and Edge browsing bonuses since they multiply your earnings. By stacking daily sets and timed actions, you increase points per hour efficiently. You finalize by redeeming points regularly for the best value, gift cards or subscriptions, and keep an eye on expiration dates. Once redeemed, maintain streaks by logging in daily and avoid clearing cookies unless you first sign out of rewards. This preserves progress. If points don't appear, check your activity history for credited actions and timestamps. Then gather screenshots and contact Microsoft support if discrepancies persist. One key troubleshooting tip: verify you used the linked account and device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.